welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order, your life, your journey, a lifestyle that fits for you. In today's video, guys, I just want to give you a quick video really quickly on how to clean the vents in your home. Now, we know that, to improve your air quality, it's extremely important that you clean your ventilation systems just so you can get that great air quality, and it also eliminates a lot of allergens. So basically what you would need is a washcloth, or you may have to use some kind of scrub brush, just depending on how much residue or buildup that you may have. And also you can use any kind of cleaning product that you desire. I am actually using some Comet cleaner. I got it from the Dollar Tree. It's really good and it's very effective. But you just want to ensure that you're actually cleaning the openings of the vent very thoroughly, and make sure that you want to get all of the crevices out just as much as you can, and know that it is going to take time, but once you're done, it's definitely going to improve the air quality of your home, and it's also going to reduce the dust. So I hope you guys like this short video about how to clean your vents. If you would like to see more deep videos like this, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.